People are going to hate me after this video. When I was watching this video, it reminded me of another system. This video is going to cause some issues. It's going to ruffle some feathers, but I think it's important that we know the truth, or at least my perception of the truth. I've seen a lot of videos, a lot of content about a new funnel system called the multiple income funnel. There's been a lot of people talking about that they've made a lot of money, and I want to get into that. I also wanted to talk about something that I thought was a little interesting when it comes to the multiple income funnel. Watch this entire video. I'm not an affiliate with them at all. And tell me what you think I should do. Should I enroll in this program to see what it's really like? Hi, my name's Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. The multiple income funnel. It is a brand new system, a brand new funnel where you have 4 different streams of income, which I'm going to talk about in just a moment, which can help you make tons of money. We'll put in quotes, tons of money. I haven't signed up. I've gone through the video a couple times, and I want to talk about the video because I find it a little curious, we'll say. Let's look at YouTube real quick. So there are tons of people, I'm going to blur these out, but there are tons of people that are talking about the multiple income funnel. These guys and girls, men and women. It feels like a pump and dump. It feels like major players, major gurus are getting advanced insight into this, into any new products. They are pumping it, and then once a bunch of people come to it, they move off of it, they move away from it, and they don't talk about it so much. I mentioned pump and dump maybe 6 months ago with a different product. I haven't heard about that product at all. But I want to take a look at something. I'm going to go over to Google Trends, and I want to see something. So I like to use Google Trends to get an idea of things that are trending, things that are moving up, and things that are moving down. So I'm just going to type in multiple income funnel, hit enter, and as you can see, a lot of talk about it here in late March, early April. It's May 1st, and it's not being talked about a whole lot. Now, the system, if we get back to it, claims to help you make passive income with tons of 4 different automated income streams. And when I was watching this video, it reminded me of another system. Now, the 4 streams are one stream is a traffic source, which seems to be one of the catalysts for a lot of these new done-for-you multiple income streams, which I'll talk about. List Leverage uses it. Traffic Authority is what it's called. Another one is some sort of chat robot or chat bot. Another one is Easy One Up, and then the other one is the multiple income funnel. So you can make $20 for every time someone signs up with the multiple income funnel, which, that is what it is. So this video is probably, maybe 20 minutes long. And it reminded me of another system. I couldn't put my mind on it. I was watching this video, looking at it, thinking about maybe I'll do this to show people what it's like, show actual people, the real success of someone starting off with zero. So the other thing that kind of jumps out to me is the people that are talking about that are having the most success have had a list for a number of years. One guy mentioned that he'd been doing affiliate marketing for 5 years. So over 5 years, if you've been building an email list, let's say conservatively, you were getting 1,000 new people, 1,000 new email subscribers per month over 5 years, you are, of course, or should have the ability to make a lot of money in a short period of time, because you have 100,000 people to draw from. You have 50,000 people to draw from. So if you are brand new to affiliate marketing, you want to take that into consideration. If you have no domain authority, you've never created a piece of content before, you have 0 subscribers on your mailing list, take that into consideration. So that's 1. 2, you need to get traffic somehow. You're going to have to buy traffic. And this system is designed to help you buy traffic, much like some of the other systems out there, like the 12-minute affiliate system. It's very similar to that. It's very similar to another system that I'm going to bring up in just a second. It's also very similar to List Leverage. All of these kind of have the same look and feel, where they claim to do everything for you. Now, I'm watching this video, watching it, not confused, but I'm just like, this seems like something else that I've seen before, that I've seen recently. As the video is almost over, I see this guy pop up. Now, this is, I believe his name's David Dinkel. I want to say. David Dinkel. And in this video, he says that he made over $100,000 using the income streams in this system. That's when it hit me. That's when I realized that this same man was the creator of Profits Passports. Now, Profits Passports just 4 months ago had a very similar system. They had, it was a completely done for you where he would call people, he'd reach out to people, and then you would make money on autopilot. And it was very, very interesting because it's the exact same step by step. You promote Easy One Up, or he promotes Easy One Up for you, and he does everything for you. You just have to take care of the traffic. So be very cautious with these systems because, as you can see now, Profits Passport is now closed. They're no longer doing business, but he is doing business with, as you can see, I screenshotted all of it. He is doing business with the income profit system or multiple income funnel, So be very careful when it comes to these types of systems because, and it's ironic enough, in this video, the creator of this program talks about here today, gone tomorrow, and then he has this man who essentially was here today. If we go back over here, Profits Passport, here today, gone tomorrow. Now, this is 4 months ago, and he's talking about how he was able to make big commissions. And it's also very curious to me that some people that you'll see that are promoting this product talk about how other gurus are selling you a $2,500 course, and you shouldn't buy those $2,500 courses because it's not worth it. But one of the income streams in this system is, and I'm gonna go back over here. One of the income streams in the system is Easy One Up. Now, if you don't know anything about Easy One Up, I'm going to bring it up. Easy One Up. It's a system that teaches you affiliate marketing. And with Easy One Up, there are income levels that you come in. You can come in at the very basic plan. But then if we scroll all the way down here, they have this Vertex. They have the Vertex Elite. Some of these products are $2,000. So the same people that are telling you that you should not enroll in $2,000 courses want you to buy $2,000 courses. Now, the reason why it's recommended or suggested that you buy $2,000 courses is simply that you can only make commissions at the level that you come in. So with this system, they're going to invite you to pay $49. That's the first income stream. So whenever someone enrolls in the program, you get paid $20 of the $49. Okay, that's fine. The next one is this Easy One Up system. And with the Easy One Up system, it's marketing education like some of the other marketing education courses out there. But the difference is there's different levels. The only way for you to make the most amount of money with the multiple income funnel is that you enroll in the highest level. The highest level is about $2,000. And if you don't come in at the highest level, and List Leverage is the same way, and so was Profits Passport, if you don't come in at the highest level, if someone buys, let's say, this Elevation Elite, the commission that you would earn gets passed up to the sponsor who did enroll in the highest level. So be very careful with these done for you type of things because you're not necessarily learning marketing. You're not learning skills. You're going to spend $49 per month to have the system, to have this guy do this stuff for you. And then you're going to pay maybe $50 one time charge of $50 for Easy One Up. Okay, that's cool. And then they're going to ask you to pay for this bot. Okay, that's fine. But then you still need to get traffic. If you don't have traffic built in, if you don't already have a YouTube channel or a blog, or if you're not already, if you don't have a following on social media, you're going to want to buy traffic. And then if you buy traffic, and I'm going to go over to Easy One Up, or not Easy One, I'm going to go over to Traffic Authority because I signed up. I'm going to show you traffic. It's List Leverage. So here's List Leverage. They basically do the same thing. And with Traffic Authority, because all of these companies use the same traffic. With Traffic Authority, you have to buy packages, and when you buy, they start at $200+. No thanks, I don't want traffic. So the basic package is $220 for 170 to 190 clicks over a span of 7 to 14 days. If you are just getting started with affiliate marketing and you want to make money fast, you would already be in the hole close to $500. And that's assuming that you don't buy some of these upgrades. Be very careful with this system, this multiple income funnel system, because it sounds like, and it looks like, people at the very top are having success. And then it's here today, gone tomorrow, as it's mentioned in this video. So it's very curious to me. The people that are making very good money, very big money, have been affiliate marketing and pumping things for years. The new guy, the average person, is going to have to spend a bunch of money getting traffic before they even begin to see a return on their investment. And if you are just getting started with affiliate marketing, there might be better ways to do it. You might want to spend time and money learning skills. You might want to spend time and money getting blog posts or creating YouTube channels or buying software that you're going to need eventually to help you build an online business. Now, does multiple income funnel work? I don't know. I'm not a part of it. I can just tell you some of the red flags that I see. For example, like I said, there's a lot of people here that have huge email lists, they have huge followings, and they're saying, I'm making a ton of money. There are people whom look like had created their own system, but then the system stopped. They abruptly shut their doors. And then, as I showed you with this video here, I wish I had taken a screenshot of his earnings, of what he said he made. I don't doubt that he made it, but it doesn't seem genuine. It seems disingenuous. I don't know that genuous is a word. It seems disingenuous because just a few months ago, if we go back over here to Profits Passport, he was promoting the exact same system. As you can see here, Profits Passport, does this system get results? And a few months ago, almost a year ago, I guess at this point, when I had first learned of this system, it was interesting to me because what you have to do is you have to buy traffic and send traffic over to Profits Passport. And Profits Passport could send leads to Profits Passport. But then I asked, hey, so what happens if they don't opt into Profits Passport? This guy here would still keep your lead. So you were basically just sending leads over to someone and you weren't learning marketing. You weren't learning affiliate marketing. One of the issues that comes with affiliate marketing, why affiliate marketing has such a bad name, is we just want to get to that end result of passive income, and we're skipping important steps like learning marketing, going through the frustration of learning affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing done the right way takes time. And the people that are having success, as you can see here, there are tons of people that have a lot of leads and followers and subscribers. That's because they went through the trials and tribulations of learning marketing. Now, this is going to turn into a rant, but I want to make sure that you are okay and you are comfortable with this before getting into it and realizing that it's not all unicorns and rainbows. So let's talk about it one more time. Multiple income funnel, and you're going to downvote this video. That's fine. I won't lose sleep. Multiple income funnel, $49 to get into this system. $49 every single month. Then you need to pay for Easy One-Up. Easy One-Up fees start at $25 a month for processing. I wish I could go find pricing. We'll click on join now. So the first plan for Elevation is $25, and then Elevation Elite $100. After that, $250, and we go all the way down here. In order to make money from the Vertex Live, you need to pay $2,000, and that's really sight unseen. So there's no guarantee you are getting what you really need. You are just coming all the way to the bottom here, and you're going to spend $1,000 or $2,000 promoting this product, but you don't really know what's inside the product because you're just signing up so that you can make as much money as possible. So that's the second level, is Easy One-Up. The third is the chatbot. I don't remember exactly what the chatbot's called. And then the fourth level is Traffic Authority. So in order to make the most amount of money possible, you are going to need to spend $49 for the multiple income funnel. Then you are going to need to spend $2,000. So you're $2,049. And then you need to spend money on the traffic bot. The chat bot, I think, is $100. And then for for a traffic authority, you are going to need to spend at least $220 for basic traffic. And you still don't know marketing. You still don't know really what to do. Now you can go through and you can spend the time to learn marketing. There's a lot of stuff in here to learn from Easy One Up. Now again, I have never been an Easy One Up. It could be a great product. I don't know, but I'm telling you more. This is more about the multiple income funnel. The way that the multiple income funnel is sold to you is that you don't need to learn marketing, whereas Easy One Up wants you to learn marketing. So be very careful with these types of programs because as you can see, they are here today and then they're gone tomorrow. This video is from 4 months ago. This video, Profits Passport, looks like it was around for maybe a year. And it seems like if I go over to Google Trends and I type in Profits Passport, and let's see, let's scroll out, let's go past 5 years. As you can see, it had an explosion a year ago. So wait a second. This is almost a year, just over a year ago. And then we see here, this exploded even more. So just be very careful with this, guys. If you enroll in it, buyer beware. And it's going to be expensive to start. You are going to shell out at least $500 to get up and running because you need traffic. That's $220 if we did the math there. Let's say $220 for math plus $49 to enroll into the program plus $100 for the chatbot. And then let's say you wanted to go with, we'll go to Easy One Up here. And again, this is going to get downvoted. People are going to hate me after this video. Let's say you want to come in at this level so that you can make commissions at this level. So you're already over $500. And I might not post this video. I may just do it just to do it. But as you can see here, let's say at the end of the day, this program's gone. What do you have? You have your leads, so that's good. But you don't have the marketing skills to know what to send via email. What are you going to send unless you go through this? And I kind of doubt that you will if you're looking for this completely done for you system. You might have a list of people that have no idea who you are. They don't know you. They don't like you. They don't trust you. They might see you as spam. So you're going to have to still go back and set up your email account. You'd have to go into the back office, download your email account, set up your email marketing, your email integration. You'd have to reach out to these people and try and build a relationship. And you're maybe 6 months to a year down the road and you haven't created any content. You haven't built a brand. You haven't built a business. And so it's very difficult to create a business based off of someone else's business. And I want you to remember that to jumping on these types of multiple income streams.